Those are really good. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making pumpkin snickerdoodles because, well, it's that time of year. I really wanted something that would be easy, fairly quick, and this is it. I am using pureed pumpkin. This is store-bought. Now, if you want to make your own pumpkin and puree it, I do have a video where I show you how you can do that, or you can just do what I did, buy it. Yeah. Let's start off with our quote-unquote wet ingredients. This is softened butter. Depending upon your day, will depend upon how soft it is. What I am counting as one of the wet ingredients, because I'm using sea salt, is the good pinch of salt. Vanilla. Start that up. I'm going to add to that my sugar. If you are using white sugar, it will get light and fluffy and beautiful. Raw sugar has a tendency not to do that, so don't go all panicked if it doesn't. Give that a nice scrape. Then I will add my pumpkin. No, not quite bad. Once again, scraping that down. One egg. While that is mixing, I'm going to take my baking powder and my cinnamon, combine those. Now, as I've said a million times, do this on low. I'm going to add my flour mixture to my wet ingredients. Once that forms a nice dough, go ahead and stop. Now, because these are snickerdoodles, we have to have some rolling sugar. I have raw sugar, ginger, cinnamon, and allspice. I'm going to take my whisk, combine those thoroughly. Now remember, all the ingredients are listed down below in the description. It smells really good. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I have my silicone lined pans. I'm going to take my cookie scoop, scoop out some, roll it into a ball, roll that ball into the sugar, and place it on the sheet. It's that simple. Then we just keep repeating this until we are all out of dough. Alright, our cookies are rolled in the sugar, they're on the baking sheet, the oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm now going to take these over and bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes or until they are done. Then we'll take them out of the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes before I remove them and put them onto a cooling rack. Our cookies are out of the oven. I'm just going to remove them from the tray, put them on the cooling rack to finish cooling. They're mostly cool, because, well, this has been longer than 5 minutes. Now, you can flatten these cookies, but I personally, I like the look of them puffed up like that. It makes me happy. All right, let's give our cookies a taste. Those are really good. These would be so good in the morning with like coffee or apple cider. These would be really great with apple cider in the afternoon. Now, if you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I really like these cookies because they were simple, they took no time, and they are really good. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you thought about that, and I hope I get to see you again the next time you stop by.